Are you on a tight budget but still want to eat healthy and delicious food? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Take a look in your pantry. Chances are you have some basic spices like black pepper, salt, and chili pepper flakes. Now, head to the market website and grab some fresh and affordable ingredients like spinach, tomatoes, and onions. But what can you make with these ingredients? No need to stress, just ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model trained by OpenAI, with a wealth of knowledge on all kinds of topics, including cooking. Simply ask ChatGPT what you can make with these ingredients, and get ready for some mouth-watering suggestions. Whether you're a busy student, a frugal home cook, or simply looking for new meal ideas, ChatGPT has got your back. So why not give it a try and see what delicious and nutritious meals you can create on a budget? Ask ChatGPT today.